Hi guys, welcome to YOSHI and RICHO cooking time. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make the easiest egg sandwich. 4 eggs, lettuce, which what I'm going to do is I'm going to just microwave it for probably about 30 seconds just to soften it up because right now it's really crispy. Feta cheese. You can use normal mayonnaise, or you could use my favorite, which is the Japanese mayonnaise, which is what I'm going to use today. And we need some butter for cooking the eggs. Basically, we've got our croissants and let's start cooking.
First step is to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Cook it until it melts. Then pour the eggs. Then, final step is to add the feta cheese. We don't need to add any seasoning to the eggs as the butter and the feta cheese have salt content in them already. Also, an important tip when cooking these eggs is to not overcook it as we still want it to have that creamy effect to it. Voila, and we are done. Squeeze a desired amount of mayo. I like mine with plenty amount. Now gently mix the mayo and the eggs together. Whoa, look how creamy that looks. Delicious. I could just eat it as it is. Now we're just going to add a decent amount of eggs. Then we're just going to add the lettuce. And there we have it, ready in minutes, packed in protein and delicious egg lettuce croissant sandwich.
And there we have it, simple breakfast. Croissant, eggs and lettuce, egg sandwich. Let's give it a taste. Amazing. The butter gives it that saltiness, so you don't need to add extra salt, just remember. And that mayonnaise, Japanese mayonnaise that was incorporated with the egg, it just makes it so creamy and delicate inside, smooth. Just melts in your mouth. Absolutely delicious. You know what? I'll add more. Absolutely delicious. So good. He's already had breakfast, so if I'm giving him a little, don't feel sorry for him. Well, anyway. If you guys have enjoyed our video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like or comment. Thank you.